All right, so you guys have completed your self-assessment and you're ready for the next and actually the rest of our class today. So in a moment, you're going to receive an article to read and a document to write on. The article is my copy, so please don't write on it because I recycle that and use it for other classes. The document is yours and you should be writing on it. Now, at the start of every document you receive, obviously you put your first and last name on it, the date, and what class hour you are in. That way we can keep our documents organized and I can make sure you earn the points and it's recorded in PowerSchool. Now, there are instructions on this document, but I'm going to share them verbally so you know what's going on. We're going to start a conversation about renewable energy, specifically on several different kinds of renewable energy. Using the front side of this document, what I'm showing you right now with these 6 boxes. Your job is to capture and write down any ideas or thoughts or questions you have while you read. Now, I am not going to be picky about what information you write or in what way you write it. I know some people prefer to use sentences, other people you prefer bullet points. That is not as important as what information you are writing. We're going to use the information on the front of this paper in just a moment, and you'll see why it's important you get as many facts and pieces of information as possible. Now, once you have read the document and once you have added your pieces of information, you're going to move to the back of the document, and you can see that with me here. There are a few questions that you're going to use your facts from the front to answer. Once you've read the document and once you have explored each type of renewable energy, your question is, what is the best renewable energy source? Notice, I'm not being specific about what makes the best renewable energy source. You have to decide that. So once you've picked what renewable energy source you think is best, you'll fill that in the first box. The next section, you have to explain why. Why did you choose the best energy source? Give me 3 specific examples using information from your reading. At least 3, you are welcome to add more. If you want to divide the boxes and make it 6, great, that's excellent. Finally, imagine that someone walks into our classroom and they did not read the article. They did not see the first boxes you filled out. They only have this last section. Write in detail in this last box. What would you say to that person to convince them that you're correct and the renewable energy source you picked is actually the best? You're welcome to reuse information that you wrote above, but remember, this person doesn't know any of that. You have to start from the beginning and explain. If you have any questions, rely on your neighbors and let me know what you think of this when we see each other next week. Last direction is make sure you turn this paper in before you leave the classroom. I should have this copy waiting on me in the classroom when I get back next week. You guys got this. Let's go.